Hi, this is Freya. Have you done the estimation of your ongoing project in complex Excel spreadsheets? No problem. Let's see how simple it is to bring your ongoing project on My Build Cost. You just need to select option of importing an Excel file while creating the new project. As you can see, all your project data is imported within a few seconds. The items and quantities are shown as entered in your Excel spreadsheets. And if you click on the rate calculator, you can see all your resources with consumption constants and rates are imported seamlessly. You can also add quantity takeoff by clicking on quantity calculator. So now your ongoing project is ready to take ahead in My Build Cost and track and control the cost overruns efficiently. So let's avoid risks and limitations of Excel and upgrade to My Build Cost, where your estimation and quantity takeoff remain at one place and remain organized. To stay updated about new features, please subscribe to Big Slice Technologies YouTube channel.